Like he's flying with the sun on his backside right now, so that it looks dark in the video, but it's the same white and blue police helicopter. There's no events. They're gonna have to make up some fake news because he's been all over my neighborhood now for an hour. So if there isn't any fake news, something should happen, because then that's just disturbance of the neighborhood for no good reason. He's been out here for an hour, thundering around. Everyone's seen the videos. He would have spent that entire time on my head doing tight little circles, having to working some kind of issues out, whatever he has held over from when he was a little kid.